All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at some MIDI controllers here for beginners and pros alike. So I got two different ones here, the TempoPAD 16. And I got the Xjam, if you will. .16 pads as well. There are some differences. As you can see, the size is a little different, a little bigger, a little smaller, bigger pads, smaller pads. So we'll go over some of these different things. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I did make fuller length videos about these if you want to check those out as well. And let's just go over some of the different features. So let's talk about the similarities first. So similarities, they both come with a USB cable that you connect to your computer. They both work with Mac, PC, iOS, and Android. The Xjam does have a Bluetooth version that you can buy as well. It's different than this one, obviously, because you don't need the cable. On the back ports here, we have a MIDI out, which is used with this cable. Where is that cable? This kind of cable here, old school type of MIDI devices. If you have any of those laying around, so you could plug it up to your synthesizers or your rack gear or whatever. And it actually comes with this one here. These ones come with a couple cables and adapters and stuff. So this is extra stuff it comes with. And this one also has a power button, and it also has a power out input. It does not come with a cable for the power input. So if you're going to use like a mobile device or something like that, you're probably going to need extra power to get in there. They're both powered by my computer, but for mobile devices, you're probably going to need something else. Now this one has a transport controls on here as well. I really don't use this stuff that much. I do everything on my Mac. I have my transport right here, but people might want to use it. So you might want to use it, especially if you're on a mobile device or something. That'd probably come in handy. We have these 4 different control knobs here too. The Xjam has 6 control knobs. They both are just endless scrolling that you can just keep going and going and going. This one's a little more, you can feel like a little, as you turn it, there's a little notch in there that you can just keep turning. This one's like more smooth, I guess. It just keeps turning, the Xjam that is. This one has 2 modes you can switch between. And, you know, there's different ways to navigate around. I'm not gonna go into all that stuff, just a quick overview. And it has repeat notes. If you want to hit the note, 8th note settings, quarter note settings, you can just hold the pad down, it keeps repeating the note. This one has that as well. Some of the things on the back panel, this one does have a foot switch output if you want to use that. And the same with the MIDI, old school MIDI adapter. It does not come with the adapter, but it's there. And like I said, we have the 6 knobs here. And there's different ways to navigate around on here as well with the modes and stuff like that to get up different octaves and change your key and stuff like that. Design. This one also has a, what's it called? A screw here to go into a stand input thing. Very lightweight, very chic. I don't know what the word is. Very thin, as you can see here. Kind of like an Apple kind of design. Goes well with the X key. I have an X key 25 here as well. And this is a pretty cool keyboard that you might want to check out too. The Xjam also comes with some software. What we got here? The Bitwick 8-track studio, which is this one. We got the WaveLab LE and the Cubase thing. I think this is like a mobile one. I don't really use this stuff, so I don't really know. But it comes with it. The TempoPAD also comes with a case, which is kind of cool. So you get a little bang for your buck, all this extra stuff they give you. And it also has, I also have one of these. This is the TempoPAD 64, I think it's called, or Z1 it's called actually. More advanced, more stuff. Really cool light show. I did a video on this too, you can check that out. But there's a lot of cool features in each one. I don't know what your needs are. Hopefully this helps. If not, then you just wasted 5 minutes watching this video. I don't know. Anyways, leave some questions down in the comments below. I'm probably forgetting a lot of things. I'm just kind of winging this whole video here. That's how we do it around here. But anyways, what else am I doing? Oh yeah, the bottom of this is pretty cool too. Little purple rubbery kind of feel. Silicone, I think it's called. Anyways, I'm just rambling on. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.